guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is the first video that I'm going to have posted in I think like a month, which is absolutely insane. But if you did watch my last video, then you'll know that I was at the working hostel, working on the farms, and I just kind of wanted to take that time for me to get my days done, which I did get done. I actually did 109 days in the end, which is just absolutely insane. And just, I don't know, enjoy my time with my friends and stuff, and there wasn't really anything to film or post or anything like that. But I am back now, and this video is going to be a massive catch up. I'm going to tell you about the farm, I'm going to tell you where I'm at now. You know, this is going to be, you're going to get the whole lowdown. So I think when I last posted, like, you'd seen Australia Day, which was honestly one of my favourite days of this year so far. It was so fun. Yeah, that was probably one of the best days on the farm. It was so good. I ended up going to 4 different farms. So the first farm that I was on was a weeding farm, and I quit it after a month because it was really bad money. I was on my own all day and it was so boring, so I quit there. Had a mini mental breakdown, but that's okay. And yeah, quit there. I also did one day on a fig farm, but me and Max both got fired, basically because apparently we weren't picking like well enough. But it was so hot, and the sap from a fig, when it gets on you, like burns your skin, like honestly burns your skin. So yeah, we were more than happy to go home, to be honest. We really were. Then I went on to a macadamia nut nursery, which was okay, but it wasn't the best, and I ended up getting really ill, and then they asked me not to come back. So I don't know what I did there. All I did was throw up and go home and take like a day off because I was so ill, but what can you do? And then on my last day I went to another weeding farm, and we were there for 2 hours, so it was just pointless, to be honest, that day. But it didn't matter because I've done my days and I am now out and we love it. So some other like key funny points of like Bundaberg were I guess who I met. Like, so obviously I went there with Em, and then we met Nat, and she is now literally one of our bestest friends in the whole wide world. We are planning on meeting up with her and doing WA all together in October, like the end of October. I'm hopefully gonna see her in Melbourne in August, so that'll be really fun because yeah, I am very much excited to see her. And we just, honestly, we have the best little trio and little friendship, all 3 of us, and I love her. Who else we met? We also met Max and James, who came together, and I got really close with both of them actually. And I just absolutely love them boys. They are incredible. We also met Nathan, but he actually ended up moving onto his farm and out of the working hostel, but he's very much still a big part of our group and we love him. And then also another, we also met Liam and Sarah, who are a couple, but they are absolutely gorgeous. They are lovely, and yeah, that was kind of our little group on the farm. There was obviously other people that we met and that I really got on with and stuff, but they were like the main core people, and I just wouldn't give them up for the world. I will say though, one night we all went out, well, me and the boys went out, got really drunk. Max was like, let's get an electric scooter. We fell off 3 times. So we fell off like just before the bridge and we were fine, and then in the middle of the bridge we fell off and I absolutely ruined my knee. He hurt his rib, I had a massive bump on my head, and then we stupidly got back on the scooter and fell off again at the end of the road, at the end of the bridge I mean. But that time we didn't hurt ourselves either, and then by that point we were like, okay, we need to get off this scooter and stop because we keep falling off, like. So yeah, and my knee was honestly ruined. It's still like healing now, and that was like 3-4 weeks ago. So do not drive on scooters drunk. No, no, no. Oh my god, I also got my nipples pierced. I know, a bit of a random one, but the girls, I've wanted it done for ages, and then the girls persuaded me one day, and yeah, I got them done. So I'm gonna put in the little video of me actually getting it done. You can't obviously see anything, but I just think it's quite funny here. So yeah, enjoy that little entertainment.
You okay?
No. Not at all. It's gonna be fine.
Just breathe. Just don't forget to breathe, please. You are welcome to cry if you need to.
I might just.
I'm not going to stop you. You're all good.
I might just.
That's totally fine.
If I swear, I apologise.
No,
it's not you.
You're all good.
Oh my god, what am I doing? This might seem dramatic, but
Right, ready?
ready. And
Deep breath.
oh fuck!
There we go.
I have no idea what vlog I'm going to be adding this into, but I just went and got my nipple pierced, and oh my god, I am in pain. That is an indescribable feeling to get your nipple pierced. But I absolutely love the piercing, it's so nice. But right now, it doesn't really like hurt, it like feels tight. But she said that's completely and utterly normal, like, because obviously my body's not used to the piercing being there. So I need to go home and put a sports bra on because she said this loose will make it more sensitive, like this loose dress. So I need to go put a sports bra on, but this is not what I thought I would be doing on my Sunday, to be honest, because we all went out last night, someone broke their collarbone, it was very chaotic, but here I am, Monday, 2 weeks out of going to Melbourne, nipple has been pierced. I hope you enjoyed that. We also celebrated Em's birthday while we were on the farm. She turned 20, so we tried to make it as special as possible. Like, we were all at work during the day, but then we came back and we had cake, and like, I gave her a birthday present, and then we went to music bingo, and yeah, I think she enjoyed that as much as you can, I guess. But yeah, that was kind of my life on the farm. I'm now gonna do like just a little montage of some videos that I got on the farm to sum it up, round up my time, so enjoy. Pineapple's so good.
I like it.
Ah! Wow, you look so cool. Go on, boy.
He keeps moving it. I mean, just get rid of these and like flex on the neighbours.
Grow up.
Woo!
Oh my god, I look great!
You know what? As bad as being on the farm was, like I hated farm work, the people and the memories that we made it so worth it. So yeah. Now I am in Melbourne because I got an au-pairing job, so I'm living in an eastern suburb in Melbourne, not in like the CBD, and I look after a 5-month-old called Cara. I also live here. I'm currently in my room. I have my own room. I don't have to pay rent, I don't have to pay for food, and yeah, I look after a 5-month-old called Cara. And I'm also looking for a second job, just to give me some more money and, you know, something else to do as well. I haven't actually found a second job yet, but I have been applying for loads, so I'm sure I'll keep you updated with all of that in my vlogs and stuff. And I have actually been vlogging this week, so the next video will be a vlog, so if you go back to that, the start of that, I won't have my hair done, so don't be confused, you know. But yeah, and that's kind of, I'm here until May 10th, and then I'm going to Southeast Asia for 3 months, but I will of course keep you updated with all of that whilst I'm on, like, whilst I'm vlogging and stuff, and yeah. But currently au-pairing, trying to find a second job. I'm back in Melbourne, which is really fun because I do absolutely love Melbourne. And yeah, even though the weather is not it, and I miss the weather in Queensland, but you know what, you kind of have it all, unfortunately. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little like catch up video. I'm sorry that I've not filmed in a few weeks, but I am back and I am better than ever, and I just needed that little time to refresh, and I'm glad that I did. So please subscribe because travel vlogs are coming, more vlogs are coming, and yeah, it's gonna get exciting. Please let me know what you want to see from me, and I will see you guys in my first vlog back. Love you all.